Capital protection. Guys, this is one habit which is very common in all successful traders. You will see this in all successful traders, but this is one thing which is missing in people who doesn't have discipline, and especially no voice trader. A lot of no voice traders. I'm not saying everyone, but there are a lot of no voice traders or people who don't follow the discipline have this problem. And if this one trade is not followed religiously, it can wipe you out from the market in no time. Don't believe in windfall of money coming suddenly into with your trading. This doesn't happen here. And you will think that it can make you rich suddenly. Don't get into those traps. Instead, try and keep adding little by little to your existing capital and let the compounding play the magic for you. Understand this concept. You enter the market with X amount. Now, with every trade, you try to add some money to the existing amount. Drop by drop, keep adding to your capital. Don't lose your capital. Once your capital is gone, you are out of market. This is one factor why a lot of people lose money in trading. They take trading as gamble and not as business. Stick to 1% rule. Take only three or two trades in a day. Maximum worst case scenario, you keep in your mind that I will not give more than 3% of my capital today. Even if you get 40% winning ratio in a month, you still will be profitable. And with time, you will increase your expertise and you will start earning. You see, there are a lot of people on YouTube nowadays. YouTube is main, Instagram or Twitter. You see a lot of MTMs, mark to market, with big capital, big money, people earning in crores. It will obviously also disturb your mindset. There are people who are doing this, but they have not done this kind of profits in one day. They have done this in years. They have gained that expertise, and just by seeing, by sharing these pictures or on these MTMs to people, a lot of people just start gambling to achieve that hunger, to achieve that money. It doesn't happen like this. You play your own game. Don't get influenced by people how much money they are making. They are making with their own expertise. What is your expertise? Expertise come with experience and good knowledge, right knowledge. Gain that. Yeah.